Well, hey, it's Donna Partone. I just wanted to say hi to all my peeps at AdOutreach. Love the mug, love your swag. I have made $115,000.
I've think more than doubled my revenue from $10K a month to now over $20,000 a month.
I went from $30K a month in sales to $100K a month.
So since working with AdOutreach, my first week of running ads, I actually booked 6 really highly qualified calls that ended up all being customers in the first week.
We're seeing 7 or 800% return on our investment on ad spend.
I paid back my investment in 2 weeks with this program. Second, 6 weeks, I was able to triple my business.
Within a week, I got 50 to 60% lower cost of lead, which is mind-blowing.
Hitting over $1 million and getting a 2 Comma Club award, is that cool enough?
Our ads became insanely more profitable. It was just, I was astounded how much YouTube ads worked better than Facebook ads.
When I started the program, I was making between 15 to 20K per month. And this past month, I made around 38,000.
Very comfortable right now, the level of a 3x revenue.
Hitting 100K months here, which has been just a massive shift from where we were before.
Finally hit that $100,000 month, that elusive $100,000 month that I've been working towards for months in my business. Couldn't get there through Facebook ads. Finally got there on the back of YouTube ads and with Aleric and his team's help.
Our biggest breakthrough so far working with AdOutreach and Aleric is just simply getting up and running with YouTube ads. And we had a positive ROAS out the gate. We're just getting started still, so it's really exciting about all the potential that we've got.
In just my second month working with these guys, I was able to turn $3,600 in ad spend into about $29,000 in revenue for my business.
We followed the exact formula Aleric said to do, and within just a few days made $15,000 just from that one step. But that same support we have, we're just moving forward with such excitement and confidence now that our ads are running, that we have everything we need. Everybody's been so attentive, respond so quickly, been there for us for things that didn't even have to do with a YouTube ad, but just, hey, this happens to be the one thing that's holding you up. How can we help you with that? And it's just
Above and beyond.
Above and beyond.
Yeah. The number of bookings that I'm getting is tremendous. And then from there, I've had a lot of sales from them. Like they're good quality.
One updated my offer from 3K to 5K, and I sold 2 people to my 5K offer, both through YouTube, actually, so that was incredible. And also, this week is my first 10K week in my business.
We have a membership site. We have 2 tiers of memberships, and we were climbing. We were about 250 paying members monthly, and today we're about 700.
We're spending way less than half, and we're getting way more than double, way more. It's just that has been an absolute game changer.
I mean, there were weeks or months where we were seeing 7 or 800% return on our investment on ad spend.
The biggest challenge we were having, we were actually killing it on Facebook ads for many years. COVID hit, Facebook got really wonky, and then we just kind of pulled our ads and didn't really know what to do next. Aleric actually said something on one of the platinum only calls. I talked to him for 10 minutes. He nailed something in one of our offers that was basically crushing our ability to upsell our clients into our high level offer. And so we took that out, and it opened up the floodgates for that. So I am eternally grateful for this program. And honestly, I don't know if any of you feel like this, and I'm not just being kumbaya here. I have never felt more at home with a group of people in my entire life.
What we were still lacking is the next level, the paid traffic. How do I take the money that we've got coming in and then infuse it back into our business to help our business grow? Working with AdOutreach, the level of support that is given to us, the step-by-step, the communication, the roadmaps that are given have absolutely made running our ads, getting them out in front of people, tweaking the ads so much easier and you just feel better about taking those big risks in your business because you know you have a massive team behind you to support you every step of the way.
And basing it on experience, yeah.
Absolutely.
The trouble that we're having is just getting the right person on the phone. We're getting a lot of people that couldn't even fathom investing in themselves or didn't have the resources or whatever. That was a constant struggle with Facebook. So that's really why we said, all right, let's put some different eggs in another basket and see what we can make happen on YouTube.
We were in Facebook stuck at about $100 to $120 per lead. Quality was not good. People didn't know what they were clicking on, even when my reps called them really fast. I switched over to YouTube after joining Aleric's program. Within a week, I got 50 to 60% lower cost of lead, which is mind-blowing. So 50 to 60 bucks a lead, not to mention the quality through the roof.
I had a great program, but a lot of people didn't know about it. And I started on a local level, but I wanted to expand. And going through this program, I was learning how to really utilize YouTube ads, and that made a huge difference in my business.
Was kind of skeptical at first because we've worked with different agencies that have run Facebook and different types of traffic platforms, and it just always seemed to be a problem, right? Like, and as a business owner, you know, I'm not scared of problems by any means, but it's just one of those deals where it's like, why would you torture yourself, right, when you don't have to? You really need to check what Aleric has, okay? If you haven't actually, you know, watched his stuff or become a client, guys, you're really just losing money. And the best traffic that I have ever experienced so far, hands down, okay, to this date, has been YouTube.
I had the most successful month ever in my business one day, and then the very next day, Facebook turned off my whole ad account. So it was this kind of jarring moment where it was like, yay, we're having so much success. And then in one foul swoop, the faucet was turned off. And I realized that I needed to explore alternative avenues. And it just so happened that that day, the universe sent an Aleric. The return on my investment came very quickly. This now has been the best month I've had since, and I started the program about 3 months ago. And I've doubled my income. So when I started the program, I was making between 15 to 20K per month. And this past month, I made around 38,000 in the month.
We cut our acquisition costs in half just by using YouTube over Facebook.
First week, the first 7 days of launching the YouTube ads, we had 44 applications come in. Over 5 days, I had so many applications come in, I literally had to turn the ads off.
I've been making a 3x ROI on my YouTube ads. It's absolutely amazing when you hook up with someone who understands how to use a platform like YouTube and teaches it to others.
Look at the way Aleric says ads. I've never seen somebody say ads like him. He's like, ads. Like he feel like I'm like, damn, ads. What, like, you know, like, so I really feel that when he said that. And like, I remember the first video that I ever watched of him, I was like, this little man got hella energy for some ads.
I knew there was a reason we hired this guy.
You guys nail it. I mean, you know what you're doing. That's what's so cool.
The way that you guys approach marketing, like ads are powerful, but it's a whole philosophy. It's a system, it's a mindset, it's an approach. I've just taken so much away from being at the event and being in this community, and also being like learning from Aleric and learning from AdOutreach, like literally by far the best in the world at YouTube ads, and it shows.
The first thing I want to say about Aleric and his team is trust. Like I fully trust these guys.
They really do what they say they're going to do. They spend the time with you, they dig down into your account, and it's like you're working shoulder to shoulder with them.
He really knows the stuff. YouTube and Google ads are way different than Facebook ads. It was a whole new world to me, and I definitely needed the guidance that Aleric's given me so far.
I don't know where to begin with how incredible the team at AdOutreach has been. I've learned to create funnels, I've learned to make my own videos, be comfortable on the camera. I have learned to control my own ads. I've done the whole omnipresent search, display, video ads on YouTube, and it's been an incredible journey.
I just sat here with you and watched you fly through my ad account, tweaking things like a mechanic on a Maserati. I mean, it's like, okay, now take it around the track. Aleric and his team are going to show you an ROI today on this ad that they put together, but it doesn't account for that ad that they put together that continues to keep paying you.
The teachings that they have and the system that they have to learn what to do is
it's mind-blowing.
When you can find an expert that, like we found here, that can just help you just get a jump start on everything, jump out there ahead of all your competition, I mean, you got to take it. There's just, it's a no-brainer.
This omnipresence and this organic, lead flow that we can generate through some of the things that Aleric has tested. It's proven, it's not theory, and he's passing that on, that knowledge on to us so that we can be excited.
We heard about Aleric, and as we were looking at the kind of things that he provided, it just gave us so much clarity.
And what is super exciting, that compared to Facebook, that costs us around £145 for a call booking, YouTube is currently costing us just over £60 for a call booking, which, I mean, the maths is the maths, that's less than half.
I was really shocked at how knowledgeable all of the team was across, like, no matter what department they were in. They are all extremely knowledgeable with ads, also with anything that has to do with YouTube and like actual video production and stuff like that. I was blown away by the knowledge that the team had, but also just getting to engage and interact with the team. Like, all of the team is really invested into the success of their clients, and that shows through with every single person you talk to. They're all very mission driven in making sure that people achieve the results that they're looking for.
Well, if you want a successful adventure with your business, you want to hook up with Aleric. I can't say enough good things about his team. These guys are top notch. They're professionals. They understand the YouTube advertising platform better than the folks at Google.
AdOutreach program is one of the best I've seen. It's the most I've ever invested into a program. It's well worth it. If you're on the fence and you really want to be able to succeed in YouTube, I mean, it's like a master course of MBA in YouTube advertisement. I mean, it's like way worth it.
The YouTube video ads I have found to be way more effective than any other advertising and marketing I've done. And Aleric and his team at YouTube, the AdOutreach, have been amazing.
I just want to thank Aleric really for everything that he's done and being able to bring on kind of a dream team behind the scenes that really will take their clients to the next level, because it's changed my life. And I know for those who are serious about moving forward, this investment is probably one of the best investments you can make to take your business to the next level as quickly as possible. And speed really is the key to growing your business today.
If you guys are considering jumping on YouTube, then I would definitely go with Aleric. The dude knows what's going on with YouTube. He's been leveraging YouTube successfully for a very long time.
Just talk to them. Just talk to these people, have a one-on-one with them, and you can kind of feel out that they know what they're talking about, they're passionate, and you can give them a try, but they will do things like work outside of your time with them to find you your answer and then come back to you later. That was really foreign for me, because I was like, wait, you're gonna do work outside of our session for me to help me? That's great, thank you. They go above and beyond, and so you'll just have to see for yourself, but I'm telling you, if you're on the fence, this is the best YouTube platform training program that I think is out there.
The one thing that, really though resonates with me the most is the heart that Aleric and his team have. And, one of the things that obviously, we and he feel strongly about is really the true impact with integrity.
In this internet marketing landscape, in this internet marketing world, it's hard to find people that you can trust, and it's hard to find people that are honestly going to over-deliver. And I can tell you, after being in the program for a year and a half, these guys, they're always trying to deliver 10 times more value than what they sell.
I encourage you to take the leap of faith. It took out all the fear that I had doing YouTube ads, but most importantly, the support that I got there, the hands-on, is absolutely amazing. So just do it.
You care about your clients, your team cares about your clients. It was very evident that you care very much about our success.
We built a relationship with, Aleric, then he had access to all of our data, and this really excelled our business to the next level.
Let me tell you something. I was on the fence too, and they got me in a nice omnipresent retargeting machine, and I am here, okay? So that should tell you everything that you need to know.
Are you serious about this being a business? And if it's going to be a business for you, you need to be able to scale it. and you can only scale it with somebody who knows what they're doing, and Aleric knows his stuff, and that's the bottom line.
Thanks, Aleric and the gang. Really appreciate you guys.
If you're on the fence, just get on a call with them, talk to them. They'll explain how they can help you, and it'll make a lot more sense then. Again, if you're on the fence, yeah, just go for it.
If you want to get results fast now, when you're going to see the best results in whatever industry you're in, you should do it with Aleric, and you should do it now.